You can go to concerts, you can go off and do all that kind of stuff. You need to be showing God that he's my Savior. He's worth my time. It shows how important God is to us. The more the commitment we make to God, the more we show the world how important he is. If something is important in your life, people, we commit ourselves to it. Isn't that right? If you like something or you love something, you commit your time to it. Do you remember how it was when you used to date? And for those that still dating, you know what it's all about. Beep, 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 beep. Hey, baby. What's going on, mama? I was just thinking about you. I couldn't help but think about you, because I just love you so much. Every day that goes by, you always cross my mind all throughout the day. The wind blowing, I hear your voice. I miss you, baby. You will find every kind of way to let that person know they are somebody. You will text them just thinking of you. You make a commitment. Be up late at night. You sleep? I'm not asleep. I was just listening to you breathe. But you understand what I'm saying. If you love something, you spend time with the something you love. And if you love the Lord, you need to spend some time with it. Because, see, God is not going to be deceived by you loving somebody else more than him. He said, I got to be number one. You shall have no other gods before me. You know how to be committed. You know how to be committed to a team. You let it be Alabama, you let it be Auburn, you let it be your school, you'll stand up and you'll shout. But how committed are you to the Lord who controls the days of your life?